Hello there everyone, thanks for coming back to another video. Just want to start off by saying thank you for joining me and choosing your time to invest watching in my videos. That's really fantastic to see. And if you are new here, hop into the Discord. It's free, it's in the description. You can see that we're sharing charts. We always talk about random topics and different projects, so just join the Discord if you wish. But more importantly, please do subscribe to the channel. You can see that Fantom today is trading at rank 37, $2.27 with a market cap of 5.8 billion. And we can see over the last 24 hours, we have pumped 11%. And if you watch my previous video, we were looking at this symmetrical triangle. And on the daily time frame, you can see that we had all this resistance and we finally broke out, which is fantastic to see. So we had 6 green candles in a row. But I'm now kind of having a look at the, things like the relative strength index, because I am seeing a bit of a bearish divergence playing off. You've got the RSI dropping off with the price actually increasing. So I'm expecting a bit of a pullback. I'm expecting maybe kind of a head and shoulders pattern over here. We've hit these targets now. Maybe we can form a head and shoulders here and break back down to a previous support level over at 172 before we actually move on to the upside. Now should that not happen, maybe we just get a complete bounce off of this, and maybe we just skip all of this and we go directly up from there. But I do anticipate maybe we're going to get this head and shoulders and then we play like this. Otherwise, maybe another scenario can happen where we still play head and shoulders but we don't break support and we go up from there. So this could be another idea, another plan. It's always impossible to fully predict what's going to happen, but I do see the bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. I do see it. We have come back down and retested the 20-day moving average, but I think we're going to get a bit of a cool off here unless we see continuation to the upside. So if we hop into the 15-minute time frame, you can see we're just sort of consolidating in this small area. We've been consolidating at this level for around 2.5 hours now. The volume is dropping off. That is one thing to also check out. But it's looking really strong. So even if we did come down back to this support at 172, there's no real key alarms. It's still very strong. If you were to produce this head and shoulders, come down and then make our way up, I think that makes much more sense. I think that looks strong. So something a bit like that would be my synopsis, my prediction, and I'm still holding strong on a $4.99 price target, a $5 price level for Fantom. I think in the alt season that is to come, realistic. I mean, if you look at this impulse correction once again. So what happens next? Do we get another increase? If we check this impulse here, this was 258%. So if we were to get 258% again, we're looking at $5, guys. I know you probably think I'm crazy, but this is just what I think is going to happen. And really, where is my little brush? Come on, brushy. There you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. That's the only way I'm seeing it. I'm not saying there's not going to be any hurdles in the way, but I think this would be 5. I think that would be, where we see the end of the hype. But I haven't got a crystal ball. I'm not psychic. I'm just some guy that speculates and likes to use some TA to look at both scenarios of upside and downside. So basically that's my price prediction with Fantom. I think we're going to come up a little bit more, maybe test this 236 area, but then we come back down to the support of $2 for form, head and shoulders. Break down to 172-ish if we do lose support, and then we come up to 264 and then make our way to these previous all-time highs, resistance levels back over there. So that's what I think is going to happen, guys. If you did like the video, it'd be fantastic if you can subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and effectively I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye now.